Ever wonder why some people seem to navigate financial challenges effortlessly while others struggle? It's not just luck, it's practical wisdom. In this video, I'll share 5 essential principles that can transform the way you handle money, helping you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Stay tuned, because these tips could be life-changing. Welcome back to Prince Sam Official Channel, where we simplify wealth building and personal finance for everyone. Today, we're diving into the concept of practical wisdom. This isn't just about knowing what to do with your money, it's about understanding why certain financial decisions work and how you can apply them in your life. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to fine-tune your approach, these 5 keys will guide you towards a more secure and pros. Key 1. Prioritize long-term goals over short-term gratification. Practical wisdom teaches us that wealth is built over time, not overnight. Learn to prioritize your long-term goals, like retirement savings or buying a home, over short-term desires. This mindset shift is crucial for financial success. Example, instead of spending your bonus on a luxury item, consider investing it in a diversified portfolio that could grow significantly over the years. Key 2. Understand the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. This principle is a cornerstone of practical financial wisdom, allowing your money to grow exponentially over time. Example, by starting with a small investment in your 20s, you can potentially build a substantial nest egg by retirement, thanks to the power of compounding. Key 3. Live below your means. Living below your means is a classic piece of advice that stands the test of time. It's about spending less than you earn, which allows you to save and invest more. Example, instead of upgrading to a bigger house as soon as you can afford it, consider staying in a modest home and investing the difference. Key 4. Diversify your investments. Practical wisdom involves spreading risk. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes reduces the impact of a single investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. Example, a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments can protect your portfolio from volatility. Key 5. Continuously educate yourself. The financial world is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key. Practical wisdom means continually learning about new investment opportunities, financial strategies, and economic trends. Example, regularly reading financial news, attending seminars, or even following reputable finance channels can keep you ahead of the curve. Practical wisdom isn't about being perfect with money, it's about making informed, thoughtful decisions that align with your long-term goals. By applying these 5 keys, you're not just managing money, you're mastering it. Remember, wealth building is a journey, not a sprint. Start implementing these principles today, and watch how they transform your financial future. Please subscribe, like, comments, and share, and please click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new videos. Thanks for watching.